how to remove auto buy in GoTyme Bank. GoTyme's auto buy or auto debit can be useful, but if you want to stop it, here's how to remove it step by step. So first, go ahead and check where you have connected your GoTyme Bank to. So for example, if you have connected it on your Google Play Store, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store, and then from here, click on your profile at the top right, and then select payments and subscriptions, select payment methods, and then go ahead and click on your link GoTyme Bank, and then you should find the cancel or remove button from there. So simply remove it as from your payment methods for your Google Play Store account to be able to stop auto buy from here. Now, if you have connected it on other applications, go ahead and open up payments and subscriptions from there, and then look for your payment method and remove it from there. And that is how to remove auto buy in GoTyme Bank.